Ever start to make an oval for your amigurumi and get these holes in the middle? Well, I'm going to share one quick tip to help you get rid of these holes for good. We're going to go from this to this in one simple step. To get started with your oval, you can follow the pattern that you're making, or you can just make a slip knot and a few chains to practice. Usually when we single crochet down our foundation chain, we tend to go under that top loop only. If you turn your stitches to the side, you'll see here that we have something called the back bump. What we want to do when we single crochet down our foundation chain is we want to grab that top loop, but we also want to go underneath that back bump as well. I'm going to get set up here with my hook, and I'm going to show you how you can go underneath that top loop, but also grab the back bump as well. I'm going to make an increase in this first stitch to get me started. Here I'm under that top loop and the back bump, and I'm just going to single crochet like normal. I'm going to add one more single crochet for my increase. Here I'm going to go under that top loop again, and I'm also going to reach under to get that back bump. It can be a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, you will love this technique. So here is the 2 loops that you need to continue your single crochet. Continue going underneath that top loop and your back bump and single crochet down the row. I'm going to finish with 4 single crochet into this last stitch just to get myself over to the other side. The nice thing about using this technique is when you go to the other side of your foundation chain, you only have 1 loop to choose from. You would just single crochet down this part of your chain, finishing off your oval. For me, I'm going to be making an increase into my last stitch. This is your foolproof way on how to make an oval without those holy bits in the middle. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and crochet alongs, and I'll see you soon.